Hello and welcome to this session where we're going to talk about the employment tribunal process. My name is Professor Cathy Daniels and I'm based at Aston University in Birmingham. And what we're going to do in effect is walk through the process of the employment tribunal. We'll be starting with early conciliation because there is a requirement to engage with that before making a claim to the employment tribunal. And then we'll be working through the different steps of the process, right from the very beginning to after the hearing and the possibility of appealing to the Employment Appeal Tribunal or to ask for a reconsideration of the judgment. But let's start at the beginning. So, interesting question. Should we actually try and settle through the ACAS early conciliation process? Well, there's not a right or a wrong answer to that. The things to think about are how likely it is that, if we're looking at it from the employer's perspective, that the employer is going to win the claim. There are times when, having thought about it, or even when doing something, the employer knows that they might be making a mistake. And there are times, therefore, where it is best to settle. There is a problem with always settling. So there are definitely employers who will not want any publicity around a potential employment tribunal claim, and therefore might take the approach of saying, whenever we can, we will settle. The problem of doing that is that if you always settle, your employees will get to know that that is how you approach these sorts of situations, and therefore, whenever you dismiss an employee or that something happens that the employee isn't happy with, they are more likely to go to ACAS early conciliation, because knowing that you always settle, they expect that they're going to get some money.